Hey everyone, welcome back to Inside STLC, where we help you test smarter and grow faster. So today I want to have an honest chat, not a hype session. It's about AI and software testing. You've seen the headlines, AI will replace testers. Automation is dead. ChatGPT writes test cases now. But what's actually happening? Let's strip away the buzzwords and talk about what AI really is and what it's doing inside QA teams and what I think 2026 will look like. If you're still in software testing and this is your living, you need to know. AI has changed how we test, not why we test. AI hasn't changed the purpose of testing, it's just changed the process. We still exist for one reason, to make users get a reliable product that does what it's supposed to do. That's not going anywhere. But how do we get there? That's shifting fast. AI helps us create test data, write automation scripts, predict flaky tests, and even analyze logs for hidden issues. Tasks that used to take hours now takes minutes. So yes, AI is changing how we work, but it's not removing curiosity, empathy, or critical thinking from testing. If anything, it's making those human skills more valuable. So the day-to-day reality, let's be real, most QA teams aren't running around with super smart bots doing everything. You might have a bit of AI assisted automation, but most days still look familiar. Reading acceptance criteria, designing tests, managing environments, and filling bugs. What's changing is the ratio. Less time executing and more time analysing. By 2026, testers will spend less time saying, did it pass? And more time asking, why did it fail? That's the evolution from doing the work to understanding the work. What AI is really good at, AI is great at patterns, but not context. It can spot differences in responses, suggest missing test cases, and detect flaky automation. But it doesn't understand business logic or user experiences. The best testers blend both worlds. AI for speed, human thinking for insight. That's who wins in 2026. The skills that will matter most? If you want to stay relevant, focus on these 3 skills. Prompt literacy. Learn how to talk to AI and get quality output. Data thinking. Interpret logs, metrics and trends, not just passes or fails. System awareness. Know how your tests fit inside the DevOps pipeline. By 2026, testers will sound more like quality engineers, comfortable with automation, CI/CD, even take a little bit of machine learning. You don't need to be a data scientist, just someone who asks better questions. What 2026 will look like, and here's my honest prediction. Every major QA tool will have an AI built in. You'll write fewer test cases manually and spend more time reviewing, prioritising and communicating insights. Your value won't come from executing tests, it'll come from explaining what those results mean to the business. So if your job today is only about execution, you need to start leveling up now, because by 2026 the title QA tester might sound a little old school. For me, the title will change to quality engineering. So, what's the true impact of AI on testing? I've said it before, it's not replacement, it's evolution. AI handles the repetitive, humans handle the reasoning. Together, that's how we'll build faster, smarter, and more reliable systems. If you agree or disagree, drop your thoughts in the comments. Where do you think QA will be in 2026? Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And until the next one, goodbye.